let's understand the no such session exception. So this will happen when, like, suppose we are having one window or more windows. So it doesn't matter actually. One or more windows, one window or more windows are there, and you quit the browser. When there is only one window, you are using the close method also, it will quit the browser completely. If you have more than one window, what happens? You are quitting the browser, then the session ID will become null. So whenever you are quitting the browser, session ID is null. And you are again calling the get title or some other method. So what happens? It will say like no such session exception because the session ID became null here, and there are no windows open because you quit the browser. All the tabs and windows are closed, whatever the driver reference variable is controlling. So no such session exception will happen. So let's reproduce that problem also. I'm going to create one more class here. Create a new class. No such session exception demo. Select the main method, click on finish. So under no such session exception, let's take the same example one more time. So I am creating two windows, and then I am doing driver.quit. Whenever I do driver.quit, session ID will become null, and whenever session ID become null also, I am again calling the get title. Driver.get title method to retrieve the title of the web page. So at that time, what happens? I am running this, so no such session exception will happen now. So no such session exception is getting thrown in this case. So after quitting the browser, if you are trying this, this problem will happen. So this problem you can also reproduce with single window also. Currently one window, two windows we are having, but in case single window also, it will be the same problem. So I am not opening the second window and I am not using the driver.quit. I am using driver.close. So whenever we are using the driver.close on a single window, again session ID will become null. For multiple windows, driver.quit will be making the session ID of the driver object as null. For a single window, driver.close also will make the session ID as null. At that time, if you are again trying driver.getTitle, then no such session exception will get happen. So if I run one more time, you will be seeing no such session exception. So in two cases, no such session exception will happen. So the socket exception you can ignore. This is connection reset because of using the driver.close. And here you see no such session exception, invalid session ID. So no such session exception will happen in two cases, either multiple window or single window you are using driver.close or driver.quit, it will happen. For multiple windows or single window driver.quit. So for single window or multiple windows, driver.quit will be returning this no such session exception. If there is only single window, even if you do the driver.close, it will be throwing this exception.